Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to transfer your funds from the Coinbase exchange to the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. We will be transferring Bitcoin to the Cypherock X1. First, you need to generate the receiver's address for the wallet. On the SizeSync sidebar, select Receive. Choose the wallet and the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Click Continue. On your X1 Vault device, verify the asset and the wallet name displayed. Enter your PIN. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 Vault. The receiver's address for the selected cryptocurrency will now appear on the X1 Vault screen. Confirm the address displayed on the vault. The same address will now be visible on the SizeSync app. Copy this address carefully. On the Coinbase exchange, under My Assets, locate Bitcoin which you wish to transfer to the Cypherock X1. Click on the 3 dots under Bitcoin and choose Send. Enter the receiver's address you copied from the SizeSync app. Choose the Bitcoin network. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. The transaction fees is also added here. Here is a summary of the transaction. After you make the transaction, you will receive the crypto in your Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange to your Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Always double check your address and network details before initiating any crypto transaction to ensure the security of your funds. Stay safe and take control of your crypto with Cypherock X1.